Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the Micro Podcast on Podcasting. I'm your host, Christine Blosdale. And today we're going to be talking about how you can use the power of Instagram Reels to promote your podcast. Now, I have just recently found out about Reels, and I am super excited because it is another creative way to promote your business, your podcast, whatever it is you want to promote. And it gives them a chance to get to know you if you're a coach or a consultant. And it's a great way to reach a lot of people. Now, I'm going to just show you a little bit of my Instagram page and my Instagram Reels. Again, I just started, so I don't have tens of thousands of plays, but I will tell you the engagement on Reels is so high and I'm so impressed. I'm going to be doing Reels on the regular as many times as I possibly can to get those views and get those plays. As you can see here, these are just a few of the brand new Reels that I've posted, and the engagement is pretty impressive. Again, I just started doing Reels. I am no expert by any stretch of the imagination, and as you can see, on a lot of these, I'm getting over 1,000 plays, which is quite impressive when my Instagram page doesn't have a whole hell of a lot of followers. For those of you who are not familiar with Instagram Reels, it's pretty simple. It's a very short video, 15 to 30 seconds. And the great thing is that you get to use these amazing songs, all this wonderful music that Instagram provides to really snap up your videos and get that attention. Text is really important because then you get to do a call to action. So if you want to promote a recent episode that you've just posted, you can do that. If you want to tell people to subscribe to your podcast show and give them a little bit of an idea of your personality, Reels are a really great way to go. If you'd like to follow my Instagram page and see some of my upcoming Reels that I'll be posting, you can do that at my account at Christine Blosdale, all one word, at Christine Blosdale. I'll make sure I have a link in the show notes for you as well. A couple of quick tips if you're going to be creating Reels for the very first time. Make sure that you set yourself up, play around with it, practice a bit if you wish, but just be confident. That's really what gets a lot of views, that confidence and that playfulness. They're meant to be fun. They're meant to be educational, inspirational, you name it. But this is the very short format video. So you want to get people's attention right away. Another thing you want to consider is having great lighting. Great lighting is going to make or break you. And yes, there is a filter on Instagram Reels that you can use to make your complexion look gorgeous. And it is, there's so many different things that you can do with it. I highly recommend you get on Reels right now and start playing around. Promote your podcast, promote your business, promote your coaching, your consulting business, whatever it is, but make sure you get on Instagram Reels and start playing around. It's a blast. Okay, that's all we have time for today for the Micro Podcast on Podcasting. I want to thank you so very much. If you want more information on me, you can go to christineblosdale.com. Again, if you want to catch my Reels, just go on Instagram and look up Christine Blosdale. Until next time, happy podcasting, everybody.